Well, student, a very good morning to all of you. And now I am going to describe your chapter, The Glimpses of the Past. Student, today's what we are going to explain that is very important for you and for your further information or further knowledge because today's topic is directly related to a evil act of our society that was exist in earlier time in our society, and that is known as a blot on our society because in during the tenure, you can say, or the period of 1772 to 1833 was the period when a lot of illegals, or you can say the ill rituals, ill trades were completely present in our society, and that is bounded our society and our women folk in the circle of these rituals. So, this is very important to understand to you, not only you, to all Indians, that what kinds of suffer we had been suffering since long time. So, so here I am going to describe one of things which is narrated or which is reformed by Raja Ram Mohan Rai, one of the social reformer. One of the social reformer. That is Ram Mohan Rai, a learned man from Bengal. He belongs to Bengal and he was known as a learned man. That means well educated and who has something courage to remove the evil things from the society. And these things is rarely found in the human beings. That means you can say that this is the peculiar quality of a person who is rarely found. And this is or this was found in Ram Mohan Rao. Understood what was wrong with the country, and he understood that what was going to wrong in the country, and that was some evil systems that was present in our society, and that should be reformed at any cost. Let us not despise ourselves. Our ancient culture is great. And he preached that we never despise our country, our rituals, our traditions, and even of our country. Because the rituals which is present in our country, if there is any evil things, it can be removed. It can be removed by the hard effort or by the support of the Indians or people. And we are capable of greater achievements. And he also said that if we want to know, if we want to remove these things from the society, then we are capable. उन्होंने कहा था कि अगर हम चाहें कि हम अपने अपने सोसाइटी से बुराइयों को दूर कर लें तो हम वो कर सकते हैं if we want achievement. We must first reform our society. Superstitions have been running us, and for this, at first we have to fight against the evil system, against the evil system, against the rituals which is not good for our society. So, superstitions here means the things that cannot be good by the human beings, and the things that is not related to the science, that is related to the to our ignorance. That means मतलब ये कि जो चीज़ हमारी अज्ञानता से डिपेंड करता है, मतलब अंधविश्वास कह सकते हो कि अंधविश्वास, इन सब सुपरस्टिशंस को हमें पहले क्या करना होगा? वी शुड रिमूव these things from our society, and after this we can remove or we can make a healthy country like our country. He told his wife Uma. So he told his wife Uma. What he told his wife Uma? He told that cows are different color, but the color of their milk is the same. Student, this is a very nice line or quotation that the cows maybe have different colors, but what their colors of milk is certainly white. That means what kinds of people live in India? It may be Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Jainism, Buddhist, etc. But what their real religion? Their real religion is that they are Hindus. They are Hindus. They are human beings. Different teachers have different opinion, but the essence of every religion is the same. And also, different teacher here means the different epics, different things. Well, student, next, he was attracted by the science and modern knowledge. As you know that he was mainly known as a social reformer, but he was also an innovative and easily adapted to the modern technology and modern era. So, in further, Mr. Ram Mohan Rai was attracted science and modern knowledge, and that's why he was a great criticizer of the old tradition and old rituals like curtain system and the pyre system, etc. Such systems which was running on those days in society. Briefly, knowledge should be practical and scientific, and he also believed that what knowledge we are getting from the society or from the book or from the college, schools, etc. This should not only merely to adopted. It should be brief and scientific and must be practical. That means the practical knowledge is better than the theoretical knowledge, because theoretical knowledge gives us only sense, but the practical knowledge makes aware us that what is the real situation would be or is in this present time. So this was his gospels, and this was his motive, or you can say that attitude, that he always want to describe the things by the scientific way. That's why he always provoked or he always criticized the evil system of society. He crossed the seas and went to England to see what made the British powerful, and for that he was always worried about the condition of our nation, and that's why he always used to think that how can we remove, how can we make success to our nation. That's why he always searching the new ideas, and he always provoked or the advocacy of the new ideas, and he always wanted to remove the evil things from the society. That's why once he crossed the sea and went to England to see what was the reason that British were more powerful. Student, this topic must be think yourself that what the narrator want to express, what the Raja Ram Mohan Rai want to express, that once he began to think that why the British was so powerful, and to know about this they went to the England, and there he told them, we accept you as rulers and you must accept as a subjects, but you must remember the responsibility a ruler owes to his subjects. That means there he said that if you know that you are the ruler, then you have some responsibility, and you have remember that what responsibility you have, and you are the ruler. If you are the ruler, then you are the responsible as a ruler owes to his subjects. That means there's some certain subjects you have to follow. And he started newspaper, but the suspicious British stopped them in 1823. And to remove the society and the reason why the British is so powerful, to describe this, he began to publish a paper in which he tries to write the real meanings or the real sense of the British and the rule of the British, that why the British were so powerful. But when British came to know that what is the reason behind this publication of the newspaper, they stopped them in 1823. That means they began to think that if the newspaper goes along the countryside, then everyone become aware that why